Hey man, DistroKid is the best way to distribute your music and get your money. So, what are you even talking about? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from WavyWayne.com. And if you're new to the place, this channel is all about helping you to record and mix better and faster. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button while I tell you how to get this money. First, let's tell you a little bit about what DistroKid is. It's basically a distribution platform that allows you to distribute your music to all of the major streaming services online. And they got a whole hell of a lot more features that actually helps artists. The dopest thing about DistroKid to me is that they don't take any of your profits, man. You pay one low yearly price, upload as many songs as you want to, as many albums as you want to, and you keep all that money on the back end. Now, what I'm here today to talk to y'all about is a feature that they have. It's called the Teams feature. Now, this feature is going to help you to actually pay the people that you collaborate with. Collaboration is huge right now, and honestly, we all want to make money, right? So whether you are collaborating with songwriters, producers, and managers, whoever, your mom, anybody, you can add them to this feature, and you don't have to worry about being the accountant no more. You can add as many people as you want to your team on a particular song or a particular project and get everybody paid. So let's go ahead and take a look at how you would set this up in the DistroKid website. So here we go. This is the Teams page. Once you log in, and then just a little disclaimer, because some of this stuff that y'all might see, it might not be on your account, depending on the level of the account. You know, your boy Wavy got like the most hype advanced account. So if you just get the basic membership, you may see a few different things. But this setting, the Teams feature, is available to every single person, all right? So keep that in mind. On the DistroKid website, man, once you click on Teams, it'll bring you to this page. And you can see at the top, automated payments to everyone on your team. Automated. What does that mean? That means you ain't got to do it. You don't got to realize, you don't got to sit there and say this person get 10%, this person get 20%. They just going to figure it out. Well, you do that one time, and then every time once the payouts happen, you don't have to worry about that, man. Automatically route any percentage of earnings from any track to anyone. Add your collaborators, producers, bandmates, managers, and more. We'll pay them directly so you don't have to think about it, because you know you're an artist, not an accountant, okay? This is free for all DistroKid members. Zero commission. You can edit the team's percentages at any time. It's so easy to set up. Yeah, but I'm going to even show you how easy it is, man. It's so easy to set up so you can focus on music, making music, and leave the accountant to us. If you add a non-DistroKid member, that's fine. A 50% discount coupon will be instantly emailed to them. So let's say you add your mama because she inspired you to write a song and you want to give her 20%, right? Well, one of the lowest memberships for DistroKid is $19.99 for the whole year. She gonna get 50% off that if she sign up to DistroKid, and then she can collect her money. As simple as that, man. Yeah, so you can invite anybody. They don't have to be a current member of DistroKid. You just add them to your team, put their email address in it. Again, I'm going to show y'all, man. So simple as this. All we got to do is go in and select the release. So I'm going to choose, let's choose this Yesterday remix by my man B-Port, all right? So right now, I got myself set up as receiving 100% of all of the revenue off of this song. But that ain't right, because I ain't do everything. I did a little something, but not everything. I ain't write it. I ain't produce it. So I feel like we need to share some of this revenue, man. It's all good. So all we got to do is simply click add a new team member. I can simply choose their percentage. Let's say I want to give my man B-Port, the producer, maybe he gonna get 50%, man. You know, typically that's how you do it, man. You'll go ahead and get that producer 50%. That's only gonna leave me with 50, but you know, we gonna have to bust that down in other ways too. So B-Port, we gonna say that his email address is bport@bport.com, all right? I don't want y'all to try to hit my man's up, even though he is a fire producer, man. But the dope thing is, man, if I add him, I can go back and change that at any time. I can delete him off of here. I can add somebody else whenever I get ready. So, you know, maybe he's only going to be receiving a cut for a limited time. That's cool. You can do that. Once the time runs out, you can go back and change it whenever. Now let's add the songwriter Lydia. Okay, so you know what I'm saying, we're gonna have to click add somebody new to this list. We're gonna call her Boo Baby at gmail.com. Somebody probably got that email for real. And you know what? We're gonna give her 40% because dang, I gotta have something for myself. You feel me? We're gonna go ahead and give her the good old 40%. So it's gonna total up to be 100%. Now, even if I would have did something silly like gave her 48%, then you see how now it dropped me down to 2% because they smart like that. They know that it can only be 100%. Well, let's go ahead and change that back because I need to get more than 2%. Okay. Okay, so now it didn't go back and give me my other 8%, but it's cool. I can go ahead and do that, man. It's even private too. So Lydia will never see how much Bport is getting paid, and Bport won't ever see how much Lydia's getting paid, or I am too. All they get to see is what their percentage is, and they can't see who else is on my team and how the other splits are being split. So that's a super dope thing that, you know, it ain't nobody else's business how much they getting paid too. Let's say that I am gonna add Mama, and you know what I'm saying? Let's add Mama Wavy. So we're gonna say, oh, we're gonna have to add a new member because you know what? She was an inspiration. I'm gonna give her 5%. Wavy Mom. Okay, we're gonna give her 5%, right? So this is gonna take away from my 5%. Dang. All right, so now obviously my mom is not a DistroKid member, but again, they're gonna send her an email and let her know that yo, you need to go ahead and join DistroKid so you can get your money, and they're gonna give her 50% off discount for the first year to actually join. So how better can it be? How much better can it be? You feel me? And if they never join, it's okay. The revenue will just be collected off into a pot on the side, and then I can later redistribute that however I see fit. And no matter how many people you got, you can just keep adding and adding and adding and adding because it's unlimited. So if you want to, you can add 100 people and give everybody 1% if you was like working on one of them Kanye tracks or something. Oh, you see, I wonder if you could give people a 0.5%. You know what I'm saying? Oh, dang, we just did. Nah, so they at least got to get 1%. Dang, you can't even get like a 0.5%, but it's cool. It's cool. All right, so let's go ahead. Dang, see, I messed up all my joint. Oh, we gonna, you know what? We gonna delete that, and delete that because we had some people that wasn't getting none. 96%. You know what? Let me go back and get my 5%. All right, cool. So now that's equal up to 100%. I can actually go ahead, review my changes. We got everything. Non-members will be sent to 50%. And of course, DistroKid is going to give you 100%, well, of the profits, right? So they ain't going to be taking nothing. Dope. And you can change them at any time. Woo, you hit save changes. I ain't gonna do that right now because this is just a mock-up. But boom, once I hit that, then all my collaborators will be sent the email and then we will all start getting paid. And that ain't it, man. If you sign up for DistroKid and get you an account right now, use my VIP link. That's going to save you 7% off your first year. Make sure that you tell them that your boy Wavy sent you. Click that link down in the description. Thanks for watching this video, man. I hope it has been helpful in getting you paid and getting your team paid. Let's go out into the world and collaborate, man. Let's make music and money together. I'm Wavy Wayne from WavyWayne.com. Check out the website and be dope.